Hey everyone. I've had a really busy day so far today, and I was actually starting to feel a little bit overwhelmed. One of those days where things just start piling on top of on one another, and it can start to feel a little bit stressful. A little bit of stress in our lives is okay, but if you're starting to feel quite stressed, you got to do something to reduce that. Maybe listen to a song that you enjoy for a few minutes. Maybe read something from a book that you enjoy. Talk with a friend. Maybe play some musical instrument. And for me, one of the best things to empty my mind, as Bruce Lee would say, is to do some exercise. Today, I've been doing some short but intense jump rope exercise, specifically double under crisscrossers for sets of 50. Double under crisscrossers are extremely intense. When I'm breathing hard and my body's fully engaged, it's hard to focus on anything else. And exercise has the added benefit of boosting endorphins. So always after exercising, I always feel good. And exercising helps to clear my mind, helps to reduce stress, and it makes me be able to focus much more better and think of tasks or approach tasks in a different manner after I exercise as opposed to the way I was feeling beforehand. All right, so it's very cold today. You can do one set here, and that's intensity. All right, talk again soon, guys.